In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello with the Getting Things Done GTD system. If you're new to GTD, it's a productivity method that helps you capture everything you need to do, organize it by context, and focus on the right next action. Trello is perfect for this because its boards, lists, and cards mirror GTD's structure in a visual, flexible way. Start by opening Trello and heading to your home page. Make sure you're signed in so you can create and save your board without interruptions. At the top of the page, look for the Create button. This is where you'll kick off your new GTD workflow. From the options that appear, choose Start with a Template. Templates save setup time and give you a best practice structure, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Next, select Explore Templates. This opens Trello's template gallery, where you can see boards others have designed for common use cases. You'll find categories like productivity, project management, and personal organization, and each template includes example lists and cards to show you how it works. You can browse around here to get a feel for different approaches. If you want to move quickly, use the search to find exactly what you need. In the search bar, type Getting Things Done, GTD. This pulls up a dedicated GTD template tailored for the method. It typically includes core GTD lists such as inbox, next actions, waiting for, projects, someday, maybe, and done, which map directly to how you'll capture and process your tasks. Open the template and click Use Template. This creates a copy of the board in your account that you can customize. The template is just a starting point. You can tweak list names later to match your personal workflow. Give your board a clear, practical title. Something like GTD Command Center or GTD. Personal works well. Consider a naming convention if you plan to create multiple boards, for example, GTD. Work and GTD, personal, so you can spot them quickly in your sidebar and on mobile. Finally, choose the workspace where the board will live. If you're organizing personal tasks, pick your personal workspace. If you're coordinating with a team, choose the shared workspace so teammates can access it. Keep in mind that workspace choice affects visibility and permissions, so select the one that matches who needs to see and contribute to your board. That's it. You've set up a Trello board aligned with the GTD system. From here, you can start capturing everything into your inbox list, then process items into next actions, waiting for, and projects to stay on top of your commitments with clarity and confidence.